Do you know how to sew on a button? What about thread a sewing machine? Have you ever made your own pillowcase? Have you ever wondered why some of your clothes need to be washed differently? Hi, my name is Nathan. I am 9 years old and a member of the Happy Helpers 4-H Club. Today I'm going to tell you about my experience in the Clothing and Textiles Project. The Clothing and Textiles Project is about more than just learning how to sew. 4-H members enroll in this project to learn practical skills, like how to sew on a button or fix a hem. All of these skills will be helpful throughout your lifetime. Sewing is really fun. I have learned how to thread a sewing machine and different ways to finish my seams. The very first project I made was a pillowcase for my bed. I got to choose some flannel for material. It's so soft! Since then, I've made 2 other pillowcases for gifts. It is really neat to be able to give a gift that I made. I made my first pair of shorts. These were a little bit harder to sew because I had to pick out a pattern, sew curved seams, and put in a casing for the elastic. But it was really cool to get to go to the fabric store and choose my own material. I call them my 4-H shirts because I chose black fabric with green four-leaf clovers and sparkles. My shorts fit me just right, and I think that it is really cool that no one else has clothes just like mine. I love wearing them all throughout the summer and telling my friends that I made them and all about 4-H. I discovered I like hand sewing too. I like being in control of the size of my stitches and learning how to hide them on the outside of my project. It takes a little bit longer than using a sewing machine, but I think it's kind of fun. This past 4-H year, I made an awesome pair of pajamas. They are so soft and warm, and I got to pick out exactly how I wanted to make them. I'm still learning about different kinds of fabrics. I have learned how to iron and care for cotton fabric. It is very important to wash, dry, and iron your fabric before you begin any sewing because it could shrink or bunch. Another part of the Clothing and Textiles Project is learning about taking care of your clothes and making choices that are best for your body type and wardrobe. I am learning about cost per wear and how to decide if something is a good investment in my wardrobe and if it is well made. Fashion review is part of the Clothing and Textiles Project. For this, you choose an outfit that looks good on you and you model it for the judges. This is an outfit that I chose for fashion review judging and model. I love fashion review because I get to model my outfits and I made new friends from other clubs. The Clothing and Textiles Project is full of all kinds of helpful life skills. I have learned a lot already and I can't wait to start my next project. I'm looking forward to continuing to develop my skills in the Clothing and Textiles Project. Do you want to join me? Thank you!